This video, I'm going to give you an honest review of Apollo.io, what it does, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth your time. Right on their website, you can see they have a 4.8 star rating out of 5 based on over 7,000 legit reviews. That's an excellent score, so clearly people are seeing results. So what exactly does Apollo.io do? At its core, it helps you find leads and reach out to them while automating a lot of tasks with AI. They offer an AI email assistant, letting you build your pipeline, manage meetings, and even handle deals. On top of that, they provide tools for conversation intelligence and improving overall sales performance. Apollo.io is really great for any business doing outreach, like marketing agencies or any B2B business looking for clients. It's especially useful if you want to streamline your operations and close more deals efficiently. Now let's talk pricing. Apollo.io has a free forever plan, which I love. You get unlimited email credits, 60 mobile credits per year, 120 export credits, and all the basic features completely free. Of course, there's also the upgraded plan, starting at $49 per user per month. Here, you unlock advanced features like more detailed filters to find leads based on a variety of criteria, including buying intent. For example, a marketing agency could filter by dentists who are actively searching for marketing services. That's a powerful tool if you want to focus on the right prospects. After trying Apollo.io myself, I can say it's definitely worth it. With a database of 275 million contacts and 73 million companies, you're not going to run out of leads anytime soon. And honestly, the pricing is very reasonable for what you get. Beyond just finding and reaching out to leads, you can also host meetings directly through Apollo, making it an all-in-one sales platform. I'll leave a link to Apollo.io down in the description. That's my affiliate link, but I genuinely recommend it because it's really solid software that you can just try out. And through that link, you can even sign up for the free forever plan and get started right away. So that's my Apollo.io review. If this helped you decide whether to try it, consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Happy Apollo using.